I thought that you were worth saving. I had my head above the clouds when we met. I knew one day you would hate me. Now my heart is cold and filled with regret. You thought that you would use me, but love is so confusing. When I fell, you didn't even try to pick me up.
Rajan, let's go to a orange garden. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Do you like orange garden?
Yes.
This is a orange garden. Look.
Yes. It is.
Lot of oranges, isn't it?
Yeah, they must have taken like all year to harvest all of this and make them grow.
Wow. Look at the
Mountains.
mountains. Yeah. It's underneath the mountain. It's a
Yeah.
beautiful valley.
I know. It looks really nice.
Look, a lot of people. What are they doing? Do you think?
Oh, I think they're collecting the oranges so they can eat them.
Okay. And this is the
The place where you buy
yes,
ticket,
a small bucket.
$10, and large buckets are $20.
Okay.
Every adult that enters the orchid must buy a bucket.
That means you have to be buy
A bucket if
Okay.
you're an adult. What are the people doing now?
They are
Packaging.
packaging. Yes.
I guess you could say that. Look at all these oranges. Some are going to beginning to turn, let's see, orange. Some of them
Look at the color. What a beautiful color,
I
isn't
know.
it? Yellow. Look at this orange. They are turning yellow very soon, isn't it?
Yeah. It must take a few days for it to turn orange.
Yeah, few days, maybe 4-5 days. Then it's become a yellow orange. This looks very beautiful.
So far, I haven't seen any ants or any insects coming over the oranges so far. What about you?
Yeah, I didn't see that because they use pesticide. This is the one row.
Two.
This is the another row. This is the over there is another row.
So for now, we just see 3 rows.
Yes. Look at the oranges. A lot of oranges underneath. Look underneath.
Either some people made them fall down, or it fell down by itself.
Yes. Wow. Look. This is very big.
I know.
Huh? Do you like this?
Yes. The only thing is, they're too sour. One lick and it feels like your whole tongue. It's like eating a whole lemon, but more sour than lemon.
Yeah.
But I couldn't find any sweet ones. I wonder where were they?
I think this big is sweet. Look, this is very nice and very colorful. This is very sweet.
Yes. These must be really sour. They very small and look like that.
Wow, look, the
It's the
kids.
same girl that we saw last time. Now she's picking oranges.
She enjoy it, isn't it?
Yeah, she does. We can see in her hand she has 4 oranges now.
4.
But she looks really tired from picking all of these oranges.
A lot of visitors.
Yes. They must be picking oranges too.
Yes. They may come from far away. She's picking orange as well.
Yes. It's
This
large.
is the orange garden.
Yes. It's actually very large,
Yes, very large.
covering up to more than 20 meters.
Right side is the orange garden and left side is nothing. But this grass is for the cows.
Oh,
Do you make sense?
yes.
And over there is a river. Okay?
Yeah.
After the river is big mountain. This is a beautiful place.
I think they put a river in there so people don't go up the mountains.
Yes, I think so as well.
As you can see, there are lots of trees and some are small.
Look the road.
Yes.
Side is one car is coming.
Yes.
Do you think it is big?
Yes.
Very big, isn't it?
Yes. And you can see so much people here.
Yeah. Can you see the people?
Yes.
Lot of people is around here. They're picking oranges. Okay, that's good. We enjoy the orange
Garden.
picking. We enjoy the orange
Picking.
garden. We enjoy the orange.
Garden.
Okay. See you next time. All right.
Yes.
Bye.